Your name? Good. All right, so you have 11 prior technical violation, and there's a charge that you
Welcome to Bench Scope USA.
failed to attend the court work program on April 25 and 26. Plead guilty, or if you were found guilty, your 771 status here could be revoked. Convictionality would be subject to a 90-day jail term. Do you understand that? Did you sign, read, and understand the advice of rights? If you plead guilty, you will be given all those rights, and we are not going to have a trial of any kind. Do you understand that? You have the right to a lawyer. I'll be happy to provide you with one at public expense. Would you like an attorney? Yes. So I'm going to go ahead and enter a not guilty plea. We'll send you out in the hallway. You'll speak to a lawyer. Either way, you're coming in front of me with your lawyer before you leave here. Okay? Any questions? No. Okay, you can go out in the hallway. He'll set you up. 6W841103, 5W841736, 24B, 146691. B 25W839353, 25W83826, 25W838175, and 258445556. Your name? All right, you took your plea on the April 14th case. You had a lawyer at all of this, didn't you?
Yeah.
Who's your lawyer?
Forgot the guy's name. You know the guy at the right.
Oh, it was Mr. Haynes last time, it looks like.
Is he here today?
No, we have Mr. Graziani now.
So you can have a seat out there and bring the hall of files to him, okay? We had a change of the lawyers after a few months here.
Meeting fine?
All right. You're getting close to not having one of these accepted. You understand that?
Yes. No.
All right. You want to plead the impeding traffic? Is that what you're going to do? To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right. Fines cost $175,
Okay.
and you are all set.
Thank you so much.
Okay, and I'm going to dismiss the speeding. Slow down, though, please. Okay. Have a great day. 46101. Good morning, ma'am. Your name?
Patricia Christine Kelly.
All right. You are going to plead to impeding traffic, correct?
Correct.
To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Fine.
Were you cited on the failure to stop assured clear distance back in March? Do you have any other tickets?
I had that
We're up here.
accident when I was turning in depending on
Did you get a ticket? Did you get
Yeah.
impeding?
yes.
So you got to be careful. You had 2 in 2 weeks, right? And you had a failure to yield in December of 25, right?
Yes.
Got to be careful.
Yeah.
The charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Okay, I'm going to accept your plea. You still live in St. Helen?
I own a house up there, but I've been down here 3 days because I tore out my arm there. I'm still trying to get my arm back. But I must have just.
All right, I'll accept the plea. Dismiss the speeding 175, okay?
Thank you, sir.
You're all. I would check here instead of here. I'll check here. I'll do that. Have to be set for an okay? Your name?
Tatiana.
All right, good morning to you. You met with the department rep and you're going to plead to impeding traffic, correct? To that charge, responsible or not responsible? You got a clean record. I'll accept the plea. 150 is your total. You are all set. Okay? Have a good day. Thank you. Good. Nice to see a smiling face here, man. You're going to plead to impeding traffic, right? You have insurance?
I do.
All right. Okay. All right. Charge me, correct. Responsible or not responsible? I'm going to accept your plea. You're going to slow down because you're going 51 25, right? 150 is your total. Good luck. Slow down. Have a great day. Thank you. Thank you. Good morning, sir. You're going to plead to impeding? You're going to plead to impeding traffic?
Yes.
To that charge, responsible or not responsible? Plead responsible to impeding traffic at 0 points. It won't go on your record. All right, please accept it. 150. You are all set. Have a good day. Thank you. Come on, man. You're all set. All right. Okay. Do you speak good English? Do you speak good English?
Then try to go. I'm always trying to.
What language do you speak and what language does, and does he speak Spanish?
Yes.
All right. You understand what I just said to you?
Yeah.
This says, can you help me out and tell him that this says he's going to plead to speeding 1 to 5 over? Do you understand that? Can you tell him that in Spanish? You have to tell him that. Are you going to tell him?
Yeah. It's trying to go.
Oh, tell him now. Tell him this says he's going to plead to speeding 1 to 5 over. Wait. Is that what he wants? No, wait a minute. I'll get an interpreter. Have to have him come back if you want. I don't want to have to do that to him. But I don't want to hear a story right now. I have a stipulated agreement that says he's going to plead the 1 to 5 over.
Yeah.
Tell him that. Is that what he wants to do? Ask him if that's what he wants to do, is plead the 1 to 5 over. Yes or no? Yes or no? Is that, I want to make sure here. Help me out now. What's your name?
Walker.
Can you spell your name for me?
Yeah. A-R-R-E-Y. Walker. W-R.
Walker? All right. Ask him if that's what he wants to do, is plead the 1 to 5 over. That's 1 point. We'll go on his record. Tell him that. Is that what you want to do, sir? Tell him that, man. You got to help me out. Yes, sir. All right. Charge of one, the charge of 1 to 5 miles over the speed limit. How do you wish to plead? Responsible or not responsible? Ask the man for me.
You don't have that insurance on the highest speed. It's just for no drive over to a place. Trains, train.
Listen, if I have to adjourn this and get a Spanish interpreter, do we have a Spanish interpreter coming in the next few days? Heather?
I don't think so off the top of my head. Let me look and see when I have Evelyn's from, if I have something.
You understanding me?
Yeah.
Oh, actually, Judge, we do on the 14th. Evelyn's going to be here for a sentencing.
I have to adjourn this to the 14th. I have to adjourn this to the 14th. So we're going to adjourn this 3 days. Okay?
And Evelyn will be here at 8:30
And
that day.
I'll honor this plea agreement. What time are they going to be in here, Heather?
8:30.
Good. Will you send them right in? Be here at 8:30 in the morning on the 14th. Okay?
I'll do a notice for them, Judge, if they want to come down and get it.
You go down the hall and they'll give you a paper notice, okay? Do you understand that? They'll give you a piece of paper. 3 days later, you have to be in here on Thursday, the 14th of May, okay? We'll have an interpreter. It'll be a lot easier, all right? Okay, thank you both. Justin, Kyle, Pusting. Good morning, sir. Your name?
Justin, Tuesday.
All right, you're going to plead to impeding?
Yes.
To that charge, responsible or not responsible? All right, let me see here. You got an entry, another one. You gotta slow down though, okay? 170 is your total, all right? Cashier into the hall to your right. Good luck. Tiffany, Lance, Nitesh. Sorry, did you say something? Oh, you too. Good luck. Thank you. 246-246-160. Come on up here, ma'am. You're gonna plead to impeding, right? To that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
Said original charge dismissed. Good luck. How much do you have today? Do you work?
Yes, I started a job.
Where do you work at?
Work for a Apollo retailer.
When can you pay this?
Until Friday.
Yeah, I'll just give you till Monday the 18th, okay?
Thank you.
150 by then. If you don't have the money, come on up here on Monday at 8:30 or call the court and we'll go on Zoom and I'll give you an extension, okay?
That's.
No, you're all set. Thank you. All right, come on up here, Ms. White. Cena White. 26W842469. All right, how are you? Good morning to you. You're going to plead to impeding? Responsible or not responsible? All right, 150 and you're all set, okay? Have a great day. Greer. Naya Kenyette or Greer. 25F244382.
Good morning, Judge and staff.
Dave Chung, you can have a seat at the table there, sir. Good morning, Mr. Graziani.
Yes, John Graziani, on behalf of the NIA. The judge, I've had the opportunity to discuss this matter with the NIA for there's a technical violation. Ms. Carter, please state your name for the record.
Where is she?
She's on Zoom, Judge. And she's actually on my phone. We were having difficulty getting connected to one another to steering, and I should have that we were doing that already, but.
I'm trying to get her out of the breakout room right now.
Why didn't she show up in person?
She's got, shot.
Did we give her permission to do this?
I believe last time you told her she could, Judge.
Okay. Hang on one second. I know
There she is.
Miss Greer, your name?
And I agree.
All right, so we have 1, 2, 3, 4 counts. How's she going to proceed on these?
Judge, he pleads guilty to the one count of not paying the entire amount. She's having financial difficulty, but she indicated that she completed the anger management, completed community service, and not every other matters. And just the financial, constraints. And I'm just asking for a continuation, Judge. So she's technically guilty.
But she's got 4 counts.
I understand, Judge, but she indicated to me that she completed the anger management, she completed all the community
Did she
service.
provide us with proof? Did she? Hang on. Call Jessica in. I got a charge of failure to complete the alcohol and drug insight and awareness program. Failure to complete the anger management 1-day program. Failure to pay fines and costs. Failure to provide proof of completion of 16 hours of community service by December the 15th of 25. So I have to take these one at a time. And she can either take a plea or she can go ahead and request a hearing or what is she?
Judge, I believe she completed 16 hours after.
I know, well, that is, this is May. She was supposed to have it done by December 15th.
She wasn't able to do so.
Well, then she's going to have to plead guilty or request a hearing, whatever you guys want. What about it just generated this April 14th. Jessica, your name? Did she provided proof of completion of any of these things?
She did. So you saw her on April 14th. You took her lead on that.
I did?
You took her lead on these, and then you allowed her to do a class for a different organization. That was a little cheaper. That was back to the financially. You said we said for today, the 11:15, she completed that. She did complete the air management class to review a produced organization. It's completed and done. The only the air community service has been done as well. Only thing that's left is she does have a balance. She has a remaining $80 balance. That's my only concern at this time. Is that she's scheduled for prosecuting review on June 25th. Because does give us a short.
Do her community. When did she?
The only thing left is that balance.
So that's all we're talking about is the sentences. Everything else is done. She didn't do her community service until when?
She didn't complete the community service until I have she completed the community service on March 30th.
Why didn't she get everything done when she was supposed to, Mr. Gazio?
Just, raising child, she's operating under very difficult circumstances without coming in detail.
How old is your child, ma'am?
1 years old.
Are you working?
No, just stay at home mom.
Is the father in your life? The child's life?
You asked me this before somewhat, but not as much as you should know.
So how are you supporting yourself?
With the help of my family that lives in the area. My child is special needs, so I have to be like a stay-at-home mom right now.
Got limited income due to disability payments.
Would you like to complete community service instead of paying your fines? I'll let you do that. If you can get a babysitter or whatever, or your mom or dad can watch, your sibling can watch your child. If you want to do that, I'll let you do that, or you can pay the money. It's up to you.
Sure, yes, I can do that.
You can do what?
The community service is fine.
So let me think a second. She owes 360,
380 on check sorry.
and in the review hearings in June,
June 26th.
defendant to pay 380 or serve 23 hours of community service by June 10th. Okay? So you either got to pay
Okay.
the 380 or perform 23 hours of community service. I won't make an issue of the tardiness on the other community service, okay?
Okay, thank you.
All right, so you understand the sentence then, ma'am?
Yes, I do.
All right, thank you. Bye now.
Thank you.